eccentric weft. So you have noticed that I have built up sort of a little scoop here, not unlike when we were doing our circles. And I'm going to find the right shed. So if I step in this one, I can see that the yarns are being locked into place. So this is the right one. And I'm going to start where I want to start and tuck in my end as I normally do. And proceed. And I'm doing this, and you can see that the yarn, the green, is not straight across, right? Like these ones went back and forth like this, and you're not straight across. They swoop down a little bit. And it's very important when you're doing this to make sure that you give yourself enough slack in the yarn so that it doesn't pull everything in. Sort of create a little lozenge shape here. And I'm not going back to there, now I'm going to here. I guess this will sort of be like my little leaf tapestry that I did. Remember to periodically beat. And so now that I've built up to there, I can start going back all the way to here if I want, and then all the way back to there. I'm going to beat this with the open shed so that it packs down well. That one. Back to here. Now is a point where I feel like I should be talking about things like, oh yes, you don't have to go all the way across. So I stopped here, and then the next one I turned around here, and this one I'm going to turn around here. So long as you're getting everything filled in, you don't have to be quite so very specific as you do with some of the other tapestry techniques. I'm going to build this up a little more. I'm thinking maybe I want my leaf a little bit taller, so I'm going to come back to the center here and build a little thicker and a little bit more. Remember, if you turn around in the same spot more than once, you might get a little hole. And I'll just go all the way back to here. And so if I take and pull this out, you can see how I'm zigging and zagging back and forth. And this part is fairly straight, but this first part is not. And you want to make sure that you compress everything really well. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, and that. So now to go back, if I want to go all the way back to here, see that this is in the correct shed that's being locked into place, but this one, these will be in the same shed, so I can't do that. But what I can do is change to my other shed and bring it all the way over to here. And I'm just going to pop that sucker down there and do that little double twist thing and set them aside. And now that is the correct shed. And I can go all the way over to there. And now this is an eccentric weft because that is not parallel. If I want to make it parallel, I can start building up in these areas. So as I was saying, if you don't compensate for the eccentric weft, then your salvages will move. And there is a tapestry technique where people do that on purpose. But you have to know what you're doing in order to do it on purpose. Otherwise, it looks like a mistake. Join this one up again. And if I wanted, I can also build up this part here and then put another piece in, which I think that I will do.